Hello friends, good morning. Today we'll discuss the topic called pointers. Pointers are having a main role in C language. It means if you want to have a good programming skills, you can use the pointers in your C languages. Now, what is the definition of the pointer? A pointer is a variable which holds the address of another variable. It called as pointers. See how we can define a pointer. Suppose example, say int a, it is a normal variable declaration. Int star p, it is a pointer variable declaration. So here star indicates the pointer. Okay, now the meaning of this definition is pointer is a variable which holds the address of another variable. So here this variable holds the address of another variable means a. Now see here, p is assigned by ampersand of a. So this is what the definition. Pointer is a variable which holds the address of another variable. So diagrammatically how I can represent this one in the sense, see first one is a normal variable. I'll declare here a, and p is a pointer variable. I'll declare here e, and you can assign some value also here. A is equal to 60 means a is a variable which holds 60. Now pointer is declared. Then what is the next statement we have? P is equal to ampersand a. It means this p contains ampersand a. Ampersand indicates the address of this location. See, content of this a is 60, but the address of a will be around, assume 1000 is the address of a. So pointer holds this address. Pointer holds this address. It means this p is pointing to this location. P is pointing to this location. So once the p is having address, in the sense it can access the value which is located in that address. That is what the use of pointers. Okay. So this is what the pointer definition. Now he can see one example here. Int a is declared. It is a normal variable. Int star p is a pointer variable. So next statement is p is equal to ampersand a. So diagrammatically we are representing here. A is around 20 here, and p is a pointer which holds the address of a in the sense. So address of this a is how much? 1000. It's shown here. So that address is the p holds. Got it? So this is what pointer. Pointer always declared with the asterisk symbol, or we can say star symbol, or we can say dereferencing operator. Got it? So this is what the definition of a pointer. So next you can see here some of the benefits, or we can say advantages of pointers. See, first one is pointers make the programs simple and reduce their length of the coding. So when we use pointers in our C language, so it looks like a simple, and it is going to reduce the length of the coding part. Second one, pointers are helpful in allocation and deallocation of the memory during the execution of the programs. So whenever you want to use the memory, you can use the pointers so that memory will be allocated. So if you don't want to use the memory locations, you can delete the pointer so that the memory will be deallocated. Next one is pointer enhance the execution speed of the program. If you use pointers in your C language, the speed of the program will be more. And fourth one, pointers are helpful in traversing through arrays and character strings. So when we use strings and all, by default one pointer will be allocated here to move to the next characters in a string. Next, pointers also act as references to the different types of objects such as variables, arrays, functions and structures. See, in all these topics we can use pointers. Storage of strings through pointers saves memory space. So if you use pointers in a string, the memory you can use less. Next, pointers may be used to pass on arrays, strings, functions and variables as arguments of the functions. If you use functions and pointers together, you can pass the pointers or address through functions. Pointers are used to construct different data structures such as linked list, queues, stacks. So if you know about linked list and queues, stacks concept, like stack is nothing but the first in first out order, first in last out. Queue in the sense first in first out. This is LIFO. Stack means LIFO. Queues means FIFO, first in first out. And linked list topics, we can use nodes in this. So when we are dealing with all these data structures, we can use pointers so that the coding part or implementation will be easy for us. So these are what advantages of pointers. Next we have declaration and initialization of pointers. How to declare the pointers in C language and how to initialize the pointers. See, declaration syntax will be like this. So it will be having data type first, then star symbol, and then one identifier. So data type can be int, float, char, double, and also type of file. So we can use file pointers. So the topic is not there for your syllabus, so that we can use pointers in files also. And then star is the symbol, asterisk symbol we can use along with the identifier. So what is this identifier? It is nothing but any variable name. Okay. Next, one example it's shown here how to declare. Int n is the normal variable declaration of type integer, and int star ptr. See, this ptr is here it is a variable of type integer, and it is a pointer variable. Star is mentioned here. So declaration of pointer variable of type integer. And in how or what different ways we can initialize the pointers in the sense, see like this. Int star space ptr allowed. Int space star space ptr, it is also allowed. Int space star ptr, it is also allowed. So these are all the different types of valid pointers declaration. So next, come to the initialization part. How we can initialize the pointers? See, int n is equal to 60. Int star ptr is equal to ampersand n. So this is what already discussed here. I am taking one normal variable first. N is equal to 60. See, int n is equal to how much? 60 here. And then second line, int star ptr. I am declaring here ptr, one box I am using here. This is what declaration part. Then ptr is equal to ampersand n. It means ptr is assigned by ampersand n. It means the address of this n is stored here. Say the address is 1000 or 2000. Address is equal to 1000. I am going to assume the address is 1000. So the memory location address is 1000. That is going to be initialized to ptr. So pointer definition is satisfied here. Pointer holds the address of another variable. So this is one type of initialization. Next, if you consider another example here, see second example, int m is equal to 200 star ptr is equal to ampersand m, int star ptr m is equal to ampersand m. See, here one normal variable is there, that is m. It is having value 200. See, one normal variable m and it is having value 200. One pointer is declared here, star ptr. See, this is the first pointer we declared. Second line, ptr is equal to ampersand n. It means this ptr is holding the address of m, means this pointer is pointing to 200. Then third line, int star ptrm. It means this is the second pointer we are declaring, and in the same line it is initialized ampersand m. It means ptrm is a pointer declared here, and it is also holding the value ampersand m in the sense, address ampersand m in the sense, this pointer is also pointing to the same location. Got it? So next, example 3 here I am having. So this is nothing but instead of integer I am using floating point pointers. Float normal variable, price is equal to this much. Float pointer variable, floating point pointer variable star ptrf is equal to ampersand price. See, normal variable price declared and it is having some floating point value. Pointer is declared here and this is holding the address of price, means this pointer is pointing to this location. In the same way, we can have here the character pointer variables. Character ch is equal to h, see, character ch is equal to h, and character star ptrc, pointer of type character, which holds the address of ch, which holds the address of ch. This is also pointing to same location. So these are all some different types of pointers declaration. Thank you.